in October 2025 ni salo illegal migrant notiyei Tripura o strike rijaka 12 hour ni bagai 6 am ni simung 6 pm jora MLA Ranjit Rijaka abone tiyei Government of Tripura General Administration Department ni bkhaktei joto administration no bondo khlaina ni bagai saklai jaka oro notification rijaka saklainai R Debborma under Secretary of the Government of Tripura notification ka rijaka 12th or 10th October 2025 ni salo notification ka rijaka gai MLA Ranjit press meet ni bisingti bo saklai rijaka nainadi norok of mangpli ni bisingti norok jotono school college tei jotono administration jotono of abo haikino political rok jotono of tongnai adino gari rok jotono of tongnai norok school college jotono of tongnai norok nai nadi sini mangpli o